What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I will be drawing a Smurf. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a circle for the nose. We're going to start from the very top in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom of the nose, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the eyes in behind the top of the nose. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with the left side, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, come down, and then in towards the side. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Draw that same size circle, coming back in toward the side of the nose. Just pull the pupils towards the inside right beside the nose. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then tuck that in. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I want to shift the mouth over towards the left side. So we start underneath the left eye, curve the mouth, coming down, go across underneath the nose, and then out towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, and come down, and then just tuck that up underneath. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the tongue, going across and then down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black along the top. Now on the corner of the mouth, let's add a small bracket going across and then down. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the bottom half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, pull this down, come in underneath the mouth, go across, and then bring that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the edge of the hat. We're going to go up just above the eyes, go across, and then down towards the right. Let's add in the eyebrows above the left eye, coming up and in, and the same thing on the right. Now on the side, we're going to add two large ears. Let's start on the left, going all the way around, come down, just bend that in towards the side of the head. Along the top, let's add a fold, going up and then out. Now just up above the head, we're going to add a fold for the hat. On the left side, we're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bring that down. And we'll go on top of the left ear. Let's draw the top of the hat. We're going to bring this up. We're going to bend this across towards the right. That's going to curl this around. Going around towards the bottom, come in, and then bend that up. Let's go underneath this fold, then the side of the hat going out and then down on top of the right ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start underneath the head on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with the curve, going down and then up. Let's add a fold across the top of the pant. From the hips, we're going to bend this around and just pull that in on both sides. And then in the center, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we want to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, bend this down, and then up. And now round out the toe, come up towards the top of the foot, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Let's go back up underneath the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. So starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then we'll line that up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, coming in and then out. And then on the end, add a small bracket. Now I want to curl 3 fingers on either side. Let's start underneath the thumb and come down and out. Pull that in around that bracket. Let's go to the side and add a second finger, going out and bending that in. And then again, the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the hand. Just pull that in towards the outside of the wrist. Now from the outside of the wrist, we're gonna draw that same curve going up and then tuck that in underneath the head on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a Smurf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.